Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn off recommended videos on youtube.com. Now I'm doing this for a desktop site, but I'm actually doing it on my phone. This is the same method you would use on a computer. The first thing you're going to do is go to youtube.com. So go to your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Now if you're on your smartphone, you want to make sure that it's set to desktop site. In Google Chrome, that's easy to do. You just click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and then check off desktop site. Depending on which browser you use, it might be slightly different. Click on your picture in the top right hand corner and then go to settings. Go to notifications. Flip the switch beside recommended videos to the left. It says notify me of videos I might like based on what I watch. So that is how you turn off recommended videos on the desktop site for youtube.com. Now, if you're using your smartphone, you might notice that when you go to the youtube.com website and you go to your YouTube channel, it opens in the YouTube app. Now, if that's the case and you don't like it and you'd like to use the youtube.com website instead, what you have to do is disable the YouTube app. For anybody who's interested in doing that, I've already done a video on how to disable the YouTube app, and I'm going to post a link below the video so you guys can check that out if you're interested. If you're fine using the YouTube app, I've also done a video on how to turn off recommended videos in the YouTube app. So I'm going to post a link to that video below as well so you guys can check that out as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.